The next example, in a right triangle ABC, what's a triangle here? ABC only. It's a right angle triangle. Already I said in the total trigonometry chapter, we can mostly observe the right angle triangles only. So right angle at B. Which is the right angle here? Angle B is the right angle. If tan A is equal to 1, tan A is equal to 1, what is the given measure here? Tan A is equal to 1, then verify that 2 sin A cos A is equal to 1. Here, so B is a right angle, then automatically the remaining two angles are to be acutes. What are those? A, C. But in the total problem, we are observing that angle A only here, because they mentioned that tan A is equal to 1 and find that, verify that 2 sin A cos A is equal to 1. Clear? So draw the diagram. ABC is a right angle triangle. Which is a right angle here? Angle A is a right angle. Angle A is a right angle. Angle B is a right angle. Okay. Angle B is a right angle. Angle A is to be acute angle here. Okay. We can observe this. Then automatically for this angle A, this is the opposite. This is the adjacent. This is the hypotenuse. It is opposite, adjacent, hypotenuse for this angle A. Okay. We are observing that angle A only here. Okay. So write that given in triangle ABC, angle B is equal to 90 degrees, tan A is equal to 1. So what is the tan A here? Tan A means opposite to angle A by adjacent to angle A. Opposite by adjacent. What is the opposite here? BC. Adjacent AB. Okay. BC by AB is equal to 1. So that means BC by AB is equal to 1 means AB is transposed to that side, then automatically 1 into AB. BC is equal to AB. Clear what I write? BC by AB is equal to 1. Then automatically both are to be equal. That BC is equal to AB. It is equal to which one? We don't know what is that value. That should be constant. Then we can assume that that one has a K. That one has K. Okay. So where K is a positive integer. BC is equal to AB is equal to K, where K is a positive integer. So then by the Python, just we know the two measures, these are to be equal. We don't know what are the measures of those lengths. Okay, sides. Okay, so then by the Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square is equal to side square plus side square. What is the hypotenuse here? Opposite to the right angle. Okay, so AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. AB measure is also to be equal to K. BC measure is also to be equal to K. K square plus K square, that is equal to 2K square. Okay, AC square is equal to 2K square. AC is equal to square root of 2K square. That square root is to be applicable both the products in that. So root 2 into root K square. Square root cancel. Then here balance is to be K. It is a irrational number, just add in directly root 2. Why? Because it is not a perfect square to find its root. Okay, so then AC is equal to root 2K. Okay, so based on that, AB and BC are to be equal and AC is a root 2K. Okay, so then next, what they ask the question, 2 sin A cos A is equal to 1. Verify that 2 sin A cos A is equal to 1. Then automatically you can find the value of sin A. Sin A means opposite to the angle A by hypotenuse. What is the opposite to angle A in the problem? So BC. BC is the opposite. Hypotenuse means AC. Then BC by AC. So then what you write here? BC by AC. BC measure is K. AC measure is root 2K. K cancel. The balance in the numerator is 1 by denominator is root 2. Coming to the cos A. Adjacent by hypotenuse. Adjacent. What is the adjacent here? It is the adjacent is to be, for A adjacent is to be AB. Hypotenuse is AC. AB by AC. AB by AC. That is equal to K by root 2K. K cancel. Then automatically numerator 1 balance. Denominator is root 2. Then 2 sin A cos A is equal to 2 into sin A 1 by root 2 into cos A 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2 into 1 by root 2 is 1 by root 2 whole square. So the square is applicable both numerator and denominator here. 1 square is 1 automatically. Root 2 square means square and root 2 cancel. The balance is to be 2. So then 2 into 1 by 2. 2 ones are cancel. The result is only 1. Therefore 2 sin A cos A is equal to 1. Okay. Hence it is verified. Based on that it is verified. Hence it is verified. Why? Because they ask the verify it. Okay. They ask that verify it. Okay. Hence it is verified. Okay, so there's a way to solve this problem. Okay, then coming to that, okay, next example, in triangle OPQ, right angle at P, OP is equal to 7 centimeter and OQ minus OP is equal to 1 centimeter. Determine the values of sin Q and cos Q. Sin Q and cos Q. So what is the right angle triangle here? OPQ is a right angle triangle. Instead of till now we took that ABC triangles only. Here they gave that OPQ triangle. But which is the right angle here? Angle P. Then automatically the remaining two angles are to be acutes. What are those? O and Q. but we can observe the which angle here, Q only. Okay, so then automatically this is that OPQ triangle. OPQ triangle, angle P is 7 centimeter, clear. And the relation between the two sides, OQ minus OP means OQ minus PQ. From this we can subtract this, we are getting the result is to be 1. The meaning of the hypotenuse is to be only 1 unit more than to compare this here. Hypotenuse is only 1 unit more than to compare this. Okay, so then determine the values of sin q by cos q. It is a sin q. Sin q means it is a sin q. Then opposite by hypotenuse. For q you can observe that it is opposite side, OP by OQ. Okay, so then coming to that problem, given in triangle OPQ, angle P is equal to 90 degrees, OP is equal to 7 centimeter, OQ minus OP is PQ is equal to 1 centimeter, then OQ is equal to minus PQ transpose to that side, write it as that 1 plus PQ, OQ is 1 plus PQ. Then by the Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square is equal to side square plus side square, which is a hypotenuse opposite to the right angle only. So OQ square is equal to OP square plus PQ square. What is the OQ in that? 1 plus PQ whole square, that is equal to OP is 7 centimeter plus PQ, write it as it is PQ only. Okay, write it as it is PQ. Then it is in the form of A plus B whole square formula. A plus B whole square means A square 1 square 1 plus B square. What is the B here? PQ square plus 2 into AB. 2 into A means 1. 2 into 1, 2 ones are 2 only. B means PQ, 2PQ. Clear? So it is in the form of A plus B whole square. That is equal to 7 square means it is 49 plus PQ square. So both sides of PQ squares are to be positive. So then you can cancel this. Okay, plus PQ square transpose to that side minus PQ square. So in the place of PQ square we have the constant values. Okay, both are to be cancelled here. The balance 2PQ is equal to 49 plus 1 is transpose to that side minus 1. So then 49 minus 1 is 48. PQ is equal to 48 by 2. Then PQ is equal to 24 centimeter. PQ is equal to 24 centimeter. The meaning of this lesson is to be 24. Then automatically what about the OQ length? So already we said, so hypotenuse length is more than 1 unit from this. Based on this, OQ is equal to 1 plus 24. 1 plus 24 means 25 units only. Then OQ is 25 units. OQ is 1 plus PQ, 1 plus 24, OQ is 25 units. Okay, then what we required in the problem, sin Q is equal to, okay, what is that? Sin Q and cos Q. Sin Q opposite by hypotenuse. For Q opposite is OP by OQ. OP by OQ. OP is 7 centimeter and OQ is 25 centimeter. Then cos Q, coming to that, cos Q. Cos Q adjacent is, this one is adjacent and it is to be hypotenuse. So means PQ by OQ. PQ by OQ. What is a PQ? 24. OQ 25. So means it is to be 24 by 25. These are the required values for the sin Q and cos Q. Sin Q is 7 by 25. Cos Q is 24 by 25. Okay. So that's a way. Okay. This is the way to solve these problems. Okay. So and one more thing. In some way we are taking that OP is 7 centimeter here. In the previous problem what we took, tan A is equal to 1, then automatically we can assume that those are to be K. Okay, somewhere we are taking the K units, somewhere we are not taking the K units, means if those are to be simplified, okay, for example this is the way 4 by 3. So fraction, okay, both are to be cancelled by the common factor. After that we can simplify that. We are getting the result is to be 4 by 3. By which number it is simplified we don't know. So that common by that common factor we can multiply the both numerator and denominator. So in the same procedure, tan A is equal to 1 means, so for example it is a BC, it is a AB. BC by AB result is 1 means BC is 5 centimeter, AB is 5 centimeter, 5 1 5 1 cancel, we are getting the result is to be 1. Okay, both values are to be simplified. Okay, both numerator and denominators are to be simplified by common factor. Then automatically we are getting the result is 1. By which common factor it is to be simplified? So we don't know. Just we are taking that K. But here, so OP is 7 centimeter. It is not to be simplified. Directly the length is to be mentioned here. OP is 7 centimeter. It is not to be mentioned for any trigonometric ratio. Okay, the values are to be given for the trigonometric ratios. Then automatically we can assume that values are multiplied with some constants. Okay.